Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Guru. In this video, I'll talk about how you can actually play the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme X8 Max device after the recent software update. The main reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because I'm getting a lot of messages regarding the 90 FPS not working in the Realme X8 Max, and the FPS is exactly capped at around 60 to 70, as you can see, FPS only. Lot of messages, so many comments and so many requests asking me to find a method how we can actually play at 90 FPS. And in this video I'll try to give you 5 different methods how you can actually play at 90 FPS. So first thing, let me try to show you friends right now how I was able to play at 90 FPS first. So first thing, I did very simple thing. I'll try to explain you, which we all do know before as well, which is using the brightness trick, which is 100% working perfectly fine in my case. Right now, as you can see, constantly I'm getting the 90 FPS only. It's not decreasing at all. As you can see clearly friends, it's not decreasing. So if the brightness trick is not working, try to use the set edit application and all those things. But once try this option, which is called the reset of the settings option. So let me go to the backup and reset. Once you click the backup and reset, you just need to click on the option which called the erase all the data and try to click the reset system settings. As you can see friends, try to click the reset system settings. Right now, let me to click on the reset system settings, and this will definitely only reset the system settings only. This won't delete any other personal data. Only this belongs to system settings options only will get reset. That's it. Apart from that, it won't be anything. System settings has been restarted successfully, as you can see friends, exactly. That's one thing. And but the Wi-Fi passwords and all those things, again, you don't need to connect, I think. Yes, you don't need to connect. It's automatically saved, nothing, as you can see friends. So once try to do the reset of the system settings and try to check how is the 90 FPS, whether it's working or not in the Battlegrounds mobile game. That is what the another thing which I'll definitely ask you to try. Apart from decreasing the brightness and trying the set edit application, there's other few things you can definitely try in the Battlegrounds mobile game at this point, because right now I was able to get exactly working 90 FPS perfectly alright without any kind of issues in the Realme X8 Max. Right, so now I'll try to show you exactly what is happening with me in my case. As you can clearly see, my FPS is remaining exactly around 90 and 89. As you can see friends, let me do some kind of walking and I'll try to show you. Right now you'll be able to see, as you can see, the FPS is not decreasing. It's remaining around close to 89 and 90, perfectly alright. So try to do this kind of final trick, which is resetting the settings only. Reset. Try to do the factory reset for the settings option, not for anything. So maybe that is only the last option we do have at this moment. And don't forget about the brightness trick, and don't forget about the set edit application, and also don't forget about the DC dimming feature, which is available in the Realme Lab. Try to turn off this feature, as you can see. These are the few ideas which I can actually give you at this moment on the Realme X8 Max after using for a long time. This is what I did understand: brightness trick, set edit application, DC dimming, and doing the factory reset of the system settings. And the fifth one is trying in the guest mode. Yes, so in case if you want, you can try in the guest mode, because I think one of the user did mention trying in the guest mode also solve the problem. Just give it a go. If you want, you can create the guest mode from the settings and you can try by yourself. But let me know in the comment section below friends, under what condition you are unable to get that FPS coming to 90 and it's maintaining 70. In what condition it's maintaining 70 only. But right now, as you can see, the real-time FPS meter in the game space, which is showing around exactly kind of close to 18 and 90. As you can see friends, clearly what is happening. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. These are the 5 methods how you can actually get the 90 FPS working in the Realme X8 Max device at this moment after the recent update. So many comments I'm getting on this video requested. That is the reason I thought of making this video as soon as possible for you all, to give this kind of question, this kind of solution for you all. And let me know in the comment section below which trick is working for you. So that's what. So this might be helping for a lot of other users as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video instead of more updates. This is a complete review on this one. Real-time FPS. You can see the game space. It's working completely stable at 90 FPS. Not an issue. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And let me know in the comment section under what condition you're not getting 90 FPS. Please try to mention that comment as well. Which condition you are seeing 70 FPS only. So see you in the next video friends, unless straight up more updates. Meanwhile, signing off.